In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add emphasis in Elevenlabs. To get started, open Elevenlabs and from the menu on the left side, select Text-to-Speech. This is the main area where you will enter your script and shape how the AI voice delivers it. If you want your audio to sound more expressive and less flat, a few simple formatting choices can make a big difference. One of the easiest ways to add emphasis is by capitalizing specific words. When you type a word or short phrase in all caps, it gives the AI a clear signal that this part should be stressed more strongly. In many cases, the voice will naturally sound louder, sharper, or more intentional on that word. For example, if your sentence is, "I did not say this was the important part," the word important stands out much more clearly because of the capitalization. This is especially useful when you want to highlight a key point without changing anything else in the sentence. Another helpful technique is using quotation marks around a word or phrase. Quotation marks can encourage the model to add a slightly different inflection or tonal shift. Depending on the context, this can help a line sound more pointed, more deliberate, or even a little sarcastic. It's a subtle tool, but when used carefully, it can give your voiceover much more personality and control. You can also add emphasis through punctuation, especially when it comes to pacing. Ellipses, shown as 3 dots, are great for creating a pause before an important word or idea. That short pause can build anticipation and make the next phrase land more effectively. Exclamation marks are useful too. Adding one at the end of a sentence can make the delivery sound more energetic, urgent, or enthusiastic. This works well for announcements, calls to action, or moments where you want stronger emotion in the voice. If the AI voice still sounds too monotone, try breaking up long sentences into shorter ones. Short, clear sentences are easier for the model to deliver with better rhythm. They also help important ideas stand on their own instead of getting lost in a longer block of text. In other words, don't be afraid to simplify. A sentence with fewer words often sounds more natural when spoken aloud. With these simple formatting tricks, you can make your Elevenlabs voiceovers sound much more expressive, engaging, and intentional. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.